Do you know how you can save your home from this Chennai scorching heat? We have found the perfect window solution for the upcoming summer.
Hunter Douglas Blinds has got you covered. You can adjust the slats for privacy while still allowing light in. Curtains can be more expensive and require frequent cleaning and dusting, whereas blinds are low maintenance and easily wiped clean. Blinds offer a sleek, space-saving design unlike bulky curtains which occupy significant space. Hunter Douglas features a ranges of blinds and shades from motorized and remote control to top-down and bottom-up designs, wooden blinds and child safety tangle-free options. For your workspace, Herman Miller's top 3 office chairs are Aeron, Embody and Cosm. Breathe easier and boost wellness with chairs designed to improve oxygen flow, lower heart rates and aid circulation. Their unique spinal design provides personalized support, enhancing both your health and the look of your home office. These ergonomic chairs focus on lumbar and lower back support, ensuring every movement is comfortable. Go visit Build HQ today and follow Salman Surfs for more such content. And let me know in the comments which is the best. If curtains, comment curtains, or if blinds, comment blinds.